Okay, so hi everyone. Today we will talk about Shiba Inu. As you can see on top of me is Shiba, and things are looking quite positive. I hold some Shiba in my wallet. Actually, I'm staking on Binance. I'm staking the Shiba I have on Binance. I bought it when it was, long time ago, but things are looking good. And this is the staking APY you get on Binance if you stake Shiba. If you stake it for 120 days, which is a long time, you will get 8.79 APY, which is per year. If you stake it 90 days, it becomes much less. It's only 1%. It's so low, and then it gets lower and lower. Oh yeah, you can stake it 10 days for 5%. I'm checking the metaverse. There is a metaverse coming up. There is a burn mechanism coming up. So there will be a burn mechanism, 5% or something like that, which will help the price go up. Look at these guys, okay? They are taking things seriously. They even have a photo shot for the dog, They are making a photo shot for the dog, Shiba Inu, poor dog. It has been abused. Okay, I'm joking, guys. It hasn't been abused. And now I want to show you a screenshot of the metaverse. That looks good, actually. Wow. Is this how it's gonna look like? I wouldn't mind playing this game. I would play this game all night long, I'll tell you that. Woof. Another beautiful colored concept artwork has been revealed. This time, Rocket Pond hits the spotlight for SHIB the Metaverse. Okay, so let me just click at this link. So if I keep scrolling, I think this page, it's all about the Metaverse of Shiba, isn't it? So what I'm gonna do is I will follow this page just in case, follow and keep looking. So if the metaverse coming is good, the price will jump, people will start playing, there is a burning mechanism going on. So all these things will make the price go higher and higher. Perhaps Shiba Inu will overtake Dogecoin in the ladder. I believe Dogecoin is still on top of Shiba. Let me see. Yeah, first comes Dogecoin and then comes Shiba afterwards. Now I believe maybe one day we will see Shiba Inu overtaking Dogecoin in the first page if things go well. Now they keep saying something about Satoshi. Who is Satoshi? Is the one responsible for Shiba? That's what I want to ask. Is the one who is responsible for Shiba, right? And he's the one who decided to do a burn mechanism of 5% of each transaction or something like that. This is a good thing because it means that they are taking it seriously. They are taking the Shiba seriously. It's not a hoax. There is a whole community behind it. So yeah, let's hope that Shiba will be something good in the future. If you are holding some Shiba, drop a comment, tell me how much you're holding if you don't mind. Otherwise, just keep it to yourself, Yeah, this is a nice photo of a Shiba dog, Shiba Inu. So yeah, I have a good feeling. I'm holding about 12 million Shiba or something. I don't know if I'm gonna sell my Shiba or hold them. I think I will keep holding. I think so. Yeah, just keep holding. I bought them long time ago, even before the first pump. Let me show you when did I buy my Shiba, right? This was a good purchase for me. If I click on 1 year and I move, yeah, I bought it somewhere here, down here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry, but yeah, I bought it somewhere here, guys. Somewhere here. And then happened the big jump. But I didn't sell. I didn't sell in here. I didn't even sell here, which was a bit stupid of me. Up here, I didn't sell. And now we are back here, almost the same place that I bought. A bit higher, to be honest. A bit higher, so that's a good thing. So I'll keep holding my Shiba Inu. And people are giving some good bullish comments. Shiba fire, buy. To the moon, is going to wonders. Everyone is saying that things will become positive for Shiba Inu. The Ethereum meme killer, SHIB has returned home to Ethereum Classic. Don't miss it a second time. The meme coin trilogy, Doge, Shiba, Floki. Yeah, these are the main ones, aren't they? So yeah, things are looking good for Shiba. Let me know in the comments what do you think about Shiba Inu. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.